Hello, this is an unboxing or assembly of a Aliexpress high power 45-watt power delivery weldless or no welding power bank. So this is what you get in the package. You get the holders right here integrated with the PCB, and you can see the markings there, which also correspond to the front here. And it's got some LEDs in the front here. Looks like charging chips, a bunch of resistors, fuses, and the little display. This is where the USB-C in and out. This looks like it's an Apple or Lightning connector. And you got your standard USB-A connector here. So let's see what else is in the bag. All right, so it came with some instructions. Looks like it's an IP5386 chipset in there. Here is the pieces for the clear case. So you get a screwdriver and a bunch of screws and nuts and standoffs. And then you got the various pieces here to form a little box. Okay, and the most important and last piece are some cells. So I've got some recycled or salvaged LG INR 21700 M50 LTs, and I believe I labeled these as salvage because I think there was an issue with the battery itself, but I capacity tested it and it was nearly full, so I'm not sure. In any case, these ones I don't want to put into an e-bike or an e-scooter pack, but it is perfectly fine for a power bank like this. It's not going to have a very difficult time powering these devices, and it's in a weldless case. If there's a problem, I can easily take it out. All right, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, check the voltage. 4.19. 4.19. I just charged these earlier. 4.18. 4.19. Okay, we're all balanced. All right. Okay, so after playing with this for a little bit, I figured out the arrangement that it's supposed to go in to fit perfectly. So the holes should line up like this. So this is going to be the top, or one of the sides, I mean. Here's USB-A and the two inputs. Okay. All right, so I've got some insulation discs here for 21700s. Okay, let's put them into the case. Positive, 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 positive. Negative, positive, and I'm going to put the label up here. Actually, it's better if we go like this. Okay. Let's remove some of the packing cover. Very satisfying. This is as clean as it'll ever be. Try not to get my grubby fingers on it. I got a little bit already. Supposed to go like this, okay. Hi. So let's take a look at this power delivery box power bank in more detail. So you can see it's got a nice crystal clear transparent case where you can see all the electronics and chips and resistors. It just looks really geeky and really cool. Here's a button, you can see the remainder. There's cutouts for the capacitors, I guess that's for heat dissipation. And then there's some LEDs here. If you hold the button down for 3 seconds, it should turn on. Yeah, perfect. And you can also use the charge your phone simultaneously using the light. Okay, hold it for 3 seconds again to turn it off. Okay, here's a front, here's the back, here's the 2-port side, here's a single port side, here's the bottom. So far, a very elegant looking slim case. All right, let's see how it performs over the next few weeks or days here. And I'll get back to you. For now, this is the IP5386 DIY 21700 cell holders, weldless, no welding required, 45 watt max power delivery power bank from Aliexpress. So far, I'm happy. Just got to make sure you get the correct orientation of the panels, otherwise you're going to have a hard time